Hi, welcome to Olivia's world. So today we're going to make this guitar that kind of looks like this.
Why is there a cucumber and lettuce out here?
So to make one of these guitars, Olivia, will help and show us. So to make one of these, you'll need 4 elastics, a tissue box, a toilet paper roll, and scissors. So to make one, you will need to put the elastics on like this. All the elastics are on. The next thing you'll have to do is no. So you have to take the just move the elastics a bit and then cut a hole. We actually pre-cut ours, so it's easier. Then the next step you'll have to do is put this toilet paper roll inside the hole. We'll show you. And there we have our own guitar. I'm gonna ring, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Ring, go away. And if you want us to make anything else, just ask us just in the comments down below. So bye. Click on these videos for more Olivia's World videos, or click on the subscribe button.